Hello, my crafty friends. Are you looking for easy, elegant, happy mail and packaging ideas? Well, look no further. In this video, I will share several examples. Stay tuned. Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robin Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Today, I'm going to be sharing several happy mail and gift packaging ideas that I've created for ASC Craft Supplies and My Scrap Chick. If you're new to ASC Craft Supplies, they have two retail locations. One is on the web, and they also have an Etsy store. Please feel free to use my coupon code ROBIN10, all in caps, to receive a 10% discount on your purchase. Also, if you spend $75 or more, you get free shipping. All of the projects that you see here have been created using SVG files by My Scrap Chick. They offer a wide variety of SVG files that are really easy to put together. They also offer their projects in PDF format, so if you don't have an electronic cutting machine such as a Cricut, Cameo, or a Scan and Cut, you can simply print the template or the PDF file on your favorite designer cardstock and cut it out by hand. Before we begin, let me tell you the paper collection that I've used. I use the Graphic 45 Love Note collection. I absolutely love this. I've created a number of projects using this collection and I really wanted to use it up. Now let's take a look at some of these projects. I've created this adorable heart box, this elegant purse with large bow, and to go with that, I've made this change purse, and then finally I've made this beautiful easel card with draw, and inside there are several different embellishments which I'll give you a closer look at. So I'm going to clear off my desktop, and the first project we will be reviewing is this adorable heart box. I will be right back. My first project is this lovely heart-shaped gift box. I think this is so pretty and it was very easy to make. I did alter the size from the original file. This box measures 5 inches across, 4 inches from top to bottom, and the depth is 2 inches. I also used a different bow. Here I've included a bow from the purse box, which I'll show you in a moment. The bow that comes with this file looks more like a Christmas bow, but I wanted something that was a bit more streamlined, and I think this looks very elegant. I've layered this bow with this beautiful floral spray, and you can see all the different flowers and these little tiny roses, and behind it I have this beautiful lace trim. I did outline the box with this beautiful rhinestone. On the side, the top of the lid has this beautiful scallop detail. I included this sticker that says My Darling. This comes from the Graphic 45 Love Notes sticker collection. And on the bottom, I used a contrasting tan and black stripe and then finished the bottom of the box with more rhinestones. This is what the back of the box looks like. On the inside, I have filled this with lots of fun embellishments. These embellishments are little bag toppers that I've created using a die in my stash. This butterfly is layered 3 times and it's separated with foam tape. So all you have to do is fluff up the wings. I think that makes an elegant presentation. And then I finished it off with rhinestone for the body. Here's another layered butterfly. I've created these layered bows. Again, these have 3 layers. On the center, I've included this black faceted gem. Here's another in red and tan stripe. I've also included these fun flowers. These flowers came from the hexagon box with 3D flower. I've already done a separate tutorial for this, so I will be sure to include a link in the description box below. But I love the way these colors look. We've got this beautiful pattern red paper, and the leaves are in this striped pattern paper. And then we also have these tan and black flowers. These are really easy to make. On the bottom of the box, I have this fun crinkled paper. As you can see, this is fairly sizable and it holds quite a number of embellishments. For my second project, I've created this lovely purse gift box, as well as this adorable coin purse. I've already created a separate video that shows you how to make this, and I'll include that in the description box below. This box measures 6 inches wide. The height from the handle to the bottom of the box is 7 inches, and the width is 3.5 inches. As you can see, I have lined this with this beautiful rhinestone. The handle is attached with this beautiful pearl brad. On the lid, I've included this pretty floral spray, which is resting on top of this beautiful white lace trim. On the front of the purse, I have this beautiful oversized bow, also lined with rhinestones. In the center, it has a black heart with more rhinestones, a heart-shaped chipboard from the Graphic 45 Love Notes collection, and it says, "My Love." This bow is what I use to embellish the top of the heart box. I simply shrunk it down to a smaller size. On the inside of this purse, I've lined it with more of this beautiful paper. I have created a number of cards. Let me take this bow off. These are 3 different cards that I've created. Now these cards are typically 5 by 7. I simply shrunk it down so that it would fit comfortably inside of this box. I've included this fun red rhinestone compact because every girl needs to have a compact in her purse. And I also made these pretty bows, and in the center I have a rhinestone faceted square. Next, I have this adorable little coin purse. This is so easy to make, but an elegant complement to this purse, and this can just fit inside just like so. I have used a contrasting striped paper on the top for the clasp, a bit of rhinestone, more lace trim, this black faceted gem, and this is just so adorable. Now inside, I've filled this with pearls and other embellishments, and this clasps together just like so. This is 4 inches wide. Now let me fill this up with the purse so you can see how neatly everything fits inside. Our cards, our bows, and of course our little mini compact. And as you can see, this makes a lovely presentation. The last project that I've created is this elegant easel card with a drawer. I had seen this on Pinterest years ago, and I've been dying to try it, and I love the way this turned out. On the top, I used the square layered easel card, and then I made the base by hand. I will have a separate video that shows you how to make this. On the top, we have this beautiful bow, which is layered with this floral spray with red and white flowers and then berries. This bow also comes from the purse box with large bow. I simply shrunk it down to fit this card. And behind it, we have this lovely lace trim. The thing that I love about this card is how dimensional it is. This has 4 layers which are separated by foam tape. And when you look on the inside, you can see the aperture that's going inside and this wonderful sentiment that says music is a silence between the notes. I think that is so lovely. On the lower right-hand corner, I've made this beautiful flower. Again, this flower comes from the hexagon box with 3D flower. This is very easy to make. And then I further embellished it with more flowers from my stash. And we have more lace trim here on the side. On the bottom of the card, we have a little area for the sentiment. This is raised with foam tape, and I have a line of rhinestone, which also serves as a topper. I have this chipboard piece from the Graphic 45 Love Notes collection. I surrounded the base of the box with more rhinestones, and here is the drawer on the bottom. I used a large bead, and then I added on top of it this hematite bead, which I think really adds a nice finishing touch. This is the side of the easel box, and I have layered this several times. This sentiment here says, music gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind. And this is what the back of the easel card looks like. Now the top part folds down, so it creates a nice compact space, which makes it very easy to send in the mail. Now let me show you what I've included inside the drawer. This drawer just slides out simply like so. And inside you can see that I have the drawer completely finished and lined with this beautiful paper. I've created these beautiful fans. I made this using a die by Anna Griffin called Mini French Fans. I think this is so elegant. I've used black cardstock as a base, the beautiful Graphic 45 Love Notes paper on the top. I've lined the fan with this beautiful rhinestone and then finished it off with this beautiful floral spray and some crinkled seam binding. Here's another fan shape. I think this is so elegant. This one is in tan. And we've got this tan crinkled seam binding. We have another fan here in this black floral paper. And another fan in the black and tan. And this time I've added in a little bit of the white lace in the back. And as you can see, these fans have a pretty ample size, but they fit nicely in this drawer. And then last but not least, I've included some fun stickers. Let me pull out this drawer to give you a better look. As you can see, it's finished on all four sides as well as the inside. And this simply slides in just like so. This concludes my review of my easy, elegant Happy Mail packaging. Hopefully, I have inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please do take a moment to give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment. Be sure to check my channel to see tutorials for this heart-shaped box, the large purse with bow, the coin purse, as well as this easel card withdrawal. Also, be sure to visit ASC Craft Supplies and My Scrap Chick. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.